Friends, today we are going to do some new scary experiment of Nokia 3310 model. Real lava versus Nokia 3310 ultimate test. The fire started coming out in a terrible way. The body of Nokia 3310 get completely burnt inside the experimental lava. Indestructible Nokia 3310 versus Bullet.
2, 1.
But I can't believe my eyes when I shoot on the display of Nokia 3310 the bullet shatters, but the mobile is intact. Experiment Nokia 3310 versus Ballender. Nokia 3300 has not suffered any damage to the body of the phone even after horrendously ballendering on it. Experiment Nokia 3300 holds its strength. The body of the Nokia phone is completely flattened by the pressure of the train wheels. Experiment saw versus Nokia 3310. There is a slight blast when cutting the phone. We cut the phone is true and across the phone is broken. Experiment shattering Nokia 3310. Shading blades inside the Nokia 3300 to shreds. Experiment car versus Nokia 3310. As soon as the pressure is applied on the phone, it breaks from the middle. Hydraulic pressure versus Nokia 3310. The Nokia phone can withstand a pressure of the 24 kg at the first hydraulic pressure, and the phone flattens completely at the second hydraulic pressure. Experiment Nokia 3310 versus waffle iron. After holding the Nokia phone for a long time, the top and bottom parts are most melted. Nokia 3310 versus liquid nitrogen experiment. But the surprising thing is that the Nokia 3310 model is still active even after being immersed in liquid nitrogen for a long time.